Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about FPV, how you make turns and how you're going to slow it down by using a combination of sticks movement. So say for example this is your quad. You're flying forward, and when you fly forward, if you want to slow it down, what you do is you pull the throttle stick and the pitch stick to the slightly backwards, so that it goes like this. Go. So by pulling down the throttle stick backwards, you're going to slow down the throttle, and at the same time, when you pull the pitch sticks backwards, you're going to pitch it back. So by doing a combination of this, when you fly forward, it actually slows it down like that, slows it down a bit, and then gives you time to readjust your angle. So let me repeat. So if you fly forward, if you want to slow it down, pull the throttle stick and the pitch stick slightly backwards so that it slows it down, because by doing that you actually slows down the throttle and you're leveling up. So that. And the other turns that I want to show you is that when you do a 360 degree turn, say for example you're flying towards this side, and then you're using the yaw turn, you're going to yaw this very quickly. It goes like, and then the squat will still continue to go like that, and depending on the pitch angle, it goes. Let's say for example you are flying like this, you yaw it, it's going to go up like that. So the way to slow it down is you push the throttle stick and the pitch sticks slightly forward, so it goes like forward, and then the throttle will go a bit faster, so it will stop it. It will slow the backward momentums. It will slow it down, and then you then adjust your angle, and then you go forward again. So if you do a 360 degree turn, it's going to go momentum, it's going to go backwards, and also the because of your pitch is this side, so it's going to go backwards. So to slow it down, you push both sticks slightly to the front, and then you're going to the opposite direction, so you're going to slow it down, and then readjust the angle, and you move forward. So I've got a demo video which is coming up, which you're going to see that I'm using this sticks combination to slow down during while I'm making a 360 degree turn, and also when I fly forward, I want to slow down. I use the combination of two backward sticks, and when I want to do a 360 degree turn, and when I want to slow it down to the other direction, you just push both sticks forward, then you will slow down this momentum. So when I say pushing sticks, I don't mean, so when you fly like this, mostly right in the middle. So when you want to slow it down, you pull back a bit, slightly a bit, like that. So when you're doing 360 degree turn, after your 360 degree turn is completed, you push forward a little bit, then it will slow it down. The other thing that you must remember is, if you want to fly at a consistent height, what you do is you put throttle somewhere in a position that you like. Then you only change the pitch angle, so that go forward, and then you slow down, forward, slow down, this will go in a consistent straight line. So that's part of how you fly FPV. So you need to use this combination, flying straight line and also turning, and then either 360-degree turn, and then you push forward a little bit and then readjust the angle, and with the flying forward, if you want to slow it down like that, and then you readjust your angle. I think the demo video will make it clear to you what I mean. So hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going to do a series of FPV video showing you what I have discovered and how it's going to help you fly FPV. So until next time, cheers.